Hello and welcome to WordPress tutorials. We showed you a page where you can do 100 things on WordPress. We started off with all these tasks and we have reached up to item number 45. In this video, I will show you how to configure contact form. A contact form lets you get the input from the users and let the users reach you. By default, on WordPress, the contact form is not there. For example, we can add the contact form to the contact page. To do that, the first thing that I want you to do is I want you to go and watch these videos, subscribe to the channel, like and share these videos. If you scroll down a little, you will see the series where I have already covered part 3, part 2, part 1. If you go to videos, all the 40 items, first video, second video, third video, fourth video, watch these 4 videos and only then start with the contact form. Otherwise you might be lost. If you're an advanced user, what I suggest you doing is you can watch this video individually. Log in to the dashboard. On the left hand side, go to plugins and add a plugin. Under search plugin, contact form, search for contact form, and over here what you can do is you can install a plugin such as contact form 7. Simple but flexible. Let's try this. Click on install and activate the plugin. Once you activate the plugin, you get the contact form on the left hand side. So here it should have created a menu item. That is what I am checking. Over here on the left hand side above appearance we have contact and then contact forms. So I go to contact forms just to show you how it looks. Here you can create a contact form. There is a contact form that they have already created, but let's create one for you. Add contact form, enter the title. I will just call this newsletter subscription, and over here you have all the things that you could add. The form can include all these things. The first is I want the user's name. So over here it says your name and then the email address, and then I don't want the messages or anything. I just want to remove all these and use the contact form. So once that is done, I will go ahead and click on save, either at the bottom or on the top right corner over here on the sidebar. So now we should have the contact forms listed. So newsletter subscription shortcode is ready for us. So I will copy the shortcode. I will go to pages. Because I have a lot of things installed, everything is cluttered on the sidebar, left sidebar. Go to pages, go to edit, and we are using a custom theme. So here we can add a block plus mark and then browse all and look for shortcode. Okay, click on shortcode and then put the shortcode right over here. Once it is done, click on save, and if you see, this was the earlier page. Now if I reload this page, you will have a form. It says your name, your email. Let's try adding an entry. Submit, and it says there was an error trying to send you a message. Please try again later. But this is fine. The point of the video was to show you how to add a contact form and not to troubleshoot the error itself. But we are fine. I wanted to show you how it puts the details over here, but let's move that for another video. So again, whatever uh, the contacts that you get are stored over here. So I didn't put the integrations, maybe because of that it is not working. So over here, as you can see, these are the integrations that it supports, but then I haven't covered, I mean, you can set this integration up all by yourself, but if you're lost, just go to plugins and remove this. Now I will show you how to go ahead and remove this as well, because this is not individually working all by itself. I will also show you how to remove this. Just click on deactivate and then you can click on delete and OK. That will remove it from the side menu and also from your WordPress. Thank you so much. So that is how you add contact forms. The next topic is, let's see, add search bar. How to add a search bar? It improves the navigation features of your website. So let's go ahead and create a page to begin with. To over here on the right hand side, we already have a search bar. So I will show you how to customize it rather not show you how to add it. I will also show you, additionally, I will also show you how you can modify that. This theme supports it. Go to customize and go to the sidebar, and these are all the options that you get for the sidebar, right? Over here on the right hand side, you see you get an option to click and edit this particular widget, right? So you can add a label. Actually, I don't want to change that particular thing, but I wanted to add a search bar. So for that, what I can do, let's do this. Let's keep the videos for one particular thing for now, and I will show you how to add the search bar in a separate video using a different thing. How about that? Would that be fine? Okay, wonderful. Thank you so much for watching. That is how, to summarize, that is how you install a contact form, and that is how you uninstall a contact form in WordPress.